What's up, guys? Welcome back. Megumi with this treasure I summon pose. This is from the anime, not the manga one with the arms going this way. So, just so you know, I might do the manga one as well. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause, we'll go too fast, we're going to start with his eyes. Head is in the top half of my page. So we'll just go up. Center point about here, up, right. Diagonal line. And then a line comes across this. Darken it up a little bit. This is from the cover of a magazine called Anan, if you're looking for it. And then his bottom eyelid line, down, around like so. And then his iris, looking up, kind of intense, from underneath his eyelashes there. So can't see much of his eyebrows, but we'll draw them in anyway. So we'll go this way. And kind of darker on the front. And then eyelid lines just here. And his other eye just across here, diagonal, and then across like so. Bottom eyelid. You gotta spike this, darken it up just a tad. Like that. And then iris, half circle or semicircle. The other one, pupil. Looking up there, real intense, right? Eyelid line. Eyebrow. Goes underneath his hair, but we'll draw it in anyway. And then like a nose line just there. Nostril, one like that. The other beside it slightly skinnier maybe, just there. So his mouth is a little bit open, right? So it's a sort of a bumpy line that bumps up and down. And that's like slightly open here. And the bottom lip, like so. And then his chin, pretty square. Now some of this chin is cut off by his fist where he's, doing this sort of pose. But we'll draw it all in and we can erase after. Jaw then, thumbs up. Change our direction, kind of above the nose, up here. Right, so hair. So we start like with these long hair spikes. And they do come down across like most of his features of his eyes and stuff like that. You might have like single lines in there. And then on this way onto his face a bit. And ears, so stick out sort of here a bit. Into there. Then the rest of the hair. So out from the ears here. Oh yeah, and the ear lines. Sorry, nearly forgot that. Right, sort of over here as well. Goes up off my page. Then we've got like texture lines just in here. Kind of like that. So, two floating fists here, right? So, one comes across his chin, like his fist here, his like knuckles, like his index finger knuckles, and they draw them like real detailed in this, like very bumpy finger, right? So knuckles, four of them, just these sort of bumps like this. And then this comes down like that, and then you four on this side. So each of these would be a finger. Knuckle lines on them as well. And his thumb seems to come across here. So like thumbnail, sort of there. Knuckle lines on top. And then like the palm of his hand and his wrist and everything just disappears into his shirt sleeve in here and joins up to the shoulder and the collar and everything. So I guess we'll do the other hand. So it's just below this one. So similar thing, kind of like opposites. And this one's like slightly different because it's further back. This one's out front. Okay, so say like thumb there, right, and then this sort of index finger is around like that, and then it's all the knuckles at the back, and then his little finger, ring finger, and middle finger, like that, right? So that's your shape. So just pause that now if that's complicated. And then the thumbnail there. There's all knuckle lines. And again, like the palm of his hand sort of goes down into his shirt down here. So I guess we got to draw like the collar and join these up to the shoulder, right? So his collar is kind of like tattered and torn and everything, sort of here. Right, I think we can see neck muscle there. And like the collar sort of in behind. And like neck muscle here. Here, and then his collar kind of tattered and torn. That way, and this is that Jujutsu Kaisen tall sort of collar. Right, and then his shoulder bumps itself and has some tears sort of here, right? So that's his shoulder on that side, and then there's a tear taken out of this one. See his skin with a bit of blood, I think, probably exposed. And then this is his shoulder on this side. So, trick now. Elbow comes down, forearm and elbow, and then back up to the shoulder. Okay, so we'll go around for his sleeve here first, and then the shirt inside. And then this bumps its way down to his elbow, which has some tears in it. Forearm. And then this is like his tricep, just comes around the back. You got all these folds coming around his arm. And then his side body down that way. And his jacket line there. So same thing here. So sleeve. A couple of these circle lines for his shirt and stuff there. And then this goes down off my page to his forearm. And it just comes up for his tricep, shoulder lines and stuff then, like fabric lines all here. Like that. So I think that's everything apart from like scratches, right? So he's got like scratches on his face, all this kind of dirt and stuff. And of course you'll erase any lines that you can't see. Right, but I think that'll do. Megumi. With this treasure I summon. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.